This is BirdNote.
I'm on a purple finch. It's perched in a maple tree, singing.
Most of the bird sounds you hear on BirdNote come from the Macaulay Library, a vast collection of over 1 million bird calls and songs curated by the Cornell Lab of Ornithology.
Chucao Tapaculo, 30 de septiembre del 2014, 16.
The library relies on both professional field recordists and dedicated volunteers to capture the sounds of birds all over the world.
And that was an elf-owl pair. Full moon tonight, so a little bit of wind.
Red-winged blackbird, Sweetwater Wetlands Park, Gainesville, Florida.
And you can contribute too. Anytime you upload a sound recording to eBird, a site for reporting bird observations, the audio file becomes part of the Macaulay Library. Adding more recordings to the collection helps researchers study patterns in bird songs and improve sound ID tools. Learn more on our website, birdnote.org. I'm Ariana Rimmel.